Okay, we're kind of walking up above the city a little bit, and yeah, this road kind of goes up to there's a hospital right there, and then way in the distance there's a Guia Hill lighthouse. So so I just came from Guia lighthouse, and I could actually walk from that lighthouse to here, and I think it was probably within 20 minutes. And we're just going to keep on walking down this hill, and we'll just show you what we can find. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so welcome back. So yep, we were at that lighthouse, and we're just walking down this hill, and this hill will basically go to Lisboa. So that Guia Hill lighthouse has a lot of history in Macau. Basically, it will guide ships when they come in, for one. And then also there was cannons up there to protect the city as well. So you had those two things. And then you can see this yellow guardrail. This yellow guardrail is the race cars. They race around this track during the Grand Prix. And so this would be kind of transformed at that time of year. But at the moment, it's just basically a hill that gets you up there. And it kind of has this nice sky effect to it as well. And we're a little bit caught in the traffic here. But we're gonna come down to San Francisco. Another thing I wanted to say too is you see all these buildings on the other side of that yellow brick wall? All of that is on reclaimed land. So none of that was here traditionally. So traditionally this would have been part of the island. And this little red building up here is San Francisco and the military club. And this would have been here for quite a while, and the water would have came up to this space as well. So the water would have came up like from there. So all that would have been ocean directly there. So that lighthouse would overlook ocean, but now it just overlooks like buildings and reclaimed land and casinos and all kinds of stuff like that. So yeah, Macau has a lot of reclaimed land, which basically means that they put dirt and soil and foundation into the ocean. And I guess originally it was kind of marshy anyways. It wasn't really like it was like maybe more still water, I think, that ships would get stuck in, so they couldn't really even get in there very well anyways. Let's see what this is real quick. I wrote a book called Moon Over Macau, so whenever I go by this, I always have to stop and just kind of mention that real quick. That book is available in a Portuguese bookstore, but I'm rewriting it. So I don't feel it's a finished piece, so I'm not really promoting it. It is finished as far as something that's easy to read at the moment right now, but I'm not done with it. So but there's a scene that takes place in that location. I'll probably be promoting that in some other day in the future, but that's not the time right now. But when I do, I'll kind of talk about some of the characters and some of the stuff about it. Actually, I did a couple of videos about a year ago that kind of have a little bit of that. If I remember, I'll put them at the end of this video so you can easily locate it. But I'll talk much more about it later when I basically have plans to rewrite it, basically. Okay, so enough of that. So basically this bridge right here, all that over there would have been water. This Lisboa would have been water. Dr. Stanley Ho passed away recently. He was the founder of the casinos, and this is one of the first casinos, this Lisboa casino that's straight ahead. Somebody said there was another one that might have been the first one that I think I know where it is, but this is the first major one that would have been an icon and stayed an icon of the city. So this would have been the centerpiece, I guess you'd call it. Restaurant Dragon. So yep, this is all so that straight ahead, that big wall, which is probably where we're gonna end this video, was basically where the ocean used to come up and lap against. And all that stuff over there is all reclaimed and new, relatively speaking, to the old traditional Macau of what was once what the city looked like. And that is the wall where the water would come up and hit against. And then up there you'd also see cannons up there. Let's see if I can see any today. I think I've seen them before, so they're up there, but we'll show you when we see them. and those would protect the city from Dutch or European or others as well. Today they're doing lots of construction. I don't even know if we can see it. Lots of construction here. And we'll see if we can see some of those cannons. And we also want to close this video out, it's getting pretty long. But yeah, all the water would come up here, so basically that water would come up down that thing. And now we're kind of basically back in the Macau side again of things. And there's the military club. So, okay. Well, anyways. We'll just try to walk across and then we'll look back from the other side in a minute. And the military club straight ahead. And then that's the Grand Lisboa straight that way. And that's the Lisboa, and then this is where a cannon is at right there. So yep, pretty cool. So yep, that's the military club. Cannons, Lisboa, Grand Lisboa. And then we're just gonna walk up a little bit towards, this is the military club where they'll have like expensive dinners and people traditionally, historically would have met as well. So pretty beautiful little space in here. And I think we'll just shut it down right there. So that is kind of the centerpiece that was connected to that waterway way up there. So we'll end it right there. Okay, just to give you a perspective on this side. So there's military club. That's where the cannons were at, and that's where the water used to come up to. And then this area right here is basically, we're walking on what was once ocean. And that would have been the land on that side, and we're on the ocean side, historically. And you can see the cannons a little bit easier from this side right here. There's 1, 2 right there. So, okay. And then of course our casinos. So let's close it out with that view right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.